Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Narrated Ibn Abbas, may Allah be pleased with him. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, I was shown the hellfire, and that the majority of its dwellers were women who were ungrateful. It was asked, do they disbelieve in Allah, or are they ungrateful to Allah? He replied, they are ungrateful to their husbands and are ungrateful for the favors and the good charitable deeds done to them. If you have always been good, benevolent to one of them, and then she sees something in you not of her liking, she will say, I have never received any good from you. Jazakallah. Subscribe to our channel to stay connected. If you like our videos, then like and share them. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications of our new videos. Thank you.